Hello everybody. Here's a picture of my friend's setup for his residential lighting system. It's a Lutron Homeworks system. Two control boxes, the two black ones, and then some of these wall power modules. And we've had a problem with them recently, and let me show you what the problem was and how we fixed it. The lighting in the house is controlled by these keypads. There are a lot of these keypads in the house. The symptoms we were having were as follows. Number one, the lighting was unresponsive to keypad depressions. When we were pushing keys, we could not get the lights to come on. Second thing we noticed is that one of the LEDs was on. You can see it right here, but there was no lighting on. We had an LED on the keypad on, but no lighting on. As I said, it was unresponsive, so we could not turn it off either. Then lastly, the backlighting for the keypads was off. This one has a slight yellowish green tint to it. So here's how we solved the problem. We've removed the two black covers, and inside the two control boxes are these little AC adapters. There's one here in the upper box, and there are two of them in the lower box, one here and one here. So we suspected that one of those AC adapters might be having a problem, and sure enough that turned out to be true. So all we did was we took this adapter that has a connection right here, plugs in right there, and we just unplugged it from this module and then went to the upper module and plugged it in right here at the top. And by swapping the modules, we were able to get the keypad to light up and to become responsive. So that told us that the problem was probably one of these AC adapter power supplies. The one that was removed was this one. It is rated 900 milliamps, so 0.9 amps, and 15 volts DC, center pin positive. Unfortunately, I did not know how to locate power supply test points on the control board, and I didn't really want to go probing around blindly. So we tested the AC adapters. The good adapter, we unplugged it from the control board here and tested it in circuit, no load. We measured about 17 volts. So as I said, the power supply is rated 15, measured 17 volts. However, on the other power supply, the one on the upper box, this measured around 21 volts DC, and the one measuring 21 volts DC turned out to be the failing one, or the defective one. Here's the old power supply, and the new power supply has the same part number, but it's a lot smaller. This next replacement, we've decided to go with a generic power supply with a much higher current rating. We bought this one on Amazon for a fraction of what a genuine Lutron power supply would cost. It's 15 volts DC, has a center positive plug on it. The plug is 5.5 millimeter diameter with a 2.1 millimeter center pin. It seems to be working fine. We've had it in the unit now for about a week, and all the keypads are working properly without having any issues. So hopefully you'll find this idea helpful. Substitute the original 900 milliamp 15 volt DC power supply branded Lutron with just a generic 15 volt DC power supply with a higher current rating. I'd go at least 1 amp or 1.5. If this helped you at all with your troubleshooting or helped solve your problem, how about a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.